How to choose an organic fertilizer granulator that suits you. First, according to the raw materials and water content. Then match the production capacity and particle shape, and finally look at the ton cost accounting to choose the best model. For wet materials, water content 30%, choose ring dye pellet machine or rotary drum granulator. For dry materials, and double roller compaction granulator is more energy saving. For those with more straw fiber, choose a model with a stirring tooth crushing function new type 2-in-1 organic fertilizer granulator. Production requirements: small scale 1 to 5 tons per day, flat dye pellet machine, disc granulator. Medium and large scale 5 tons per day, rotary drum granulator, ring dye pellet machine. Pellet requirements: 4 spherical particles, choose rotary drum granulator, disc granulator, wet granulation, with a ball formation rate of 85%, suitable for the high-end fertilizer market. For high hardness particles, choose a double roller compaction granulator for dry molding, which increases the compressive strength by 20%, suitable for long distance transportation, and use a flat dye pellet machine for low temperature active particles.